Hello everyone. So today we will learn to insert, update and delete the table. Okay. So before that, let's check what table we are going to experiment with. Uh, let's check from table. Table is submission table 2. So first we will check what columns are there. So you can see submission ID, student ID, label and score. These four columns are there, and here if you can see 101 column is there. Sorry, 101 3001 rows are there. Okay, so what we will do, we will insert mm, one more row. Let's say we just got some mail that you don't have this student, and the details of this student is not included in your database, so you have to insert the details. Okay, so as we can see 3001 rows are already there. Now we want to insert. So what we will do, we will write insert. Okay, first insert, then into, insert into table. Which table we want to insert in? Submission table 2. Okay, now in what, there are four columns, so just write four columns, which is submission ID, then student ID, then level, level and score. Correct? These are the four columns. Now what values we want to insert here? Values, you have to write values. Okay, then open the bracket. So 3001 rows were already there, so we will take 3002, because this is a unique ID, so we cannot repeat anything which is already there in this list. Okay, so now, and the next is student ID. Let's take 179. I don't know if this ID is unique or not. If we get any error, then we will change that. Okay, and label is label, let's say single colon level 1. In level 1, the score he has got is 78. Okay, now just run it. Anything? Yes, just run it, and no rows found. So actually we have already inserted it. If you want to check, just again write from star, sorry, select star from it is submission table 2, and run it. If the rows are 3002, that means we have already inserted the column. If you want to see, just scroll down at the end. At the end you will see here this ID is already inserted in this table. Now let's say now you got another mail, and it is said that this is not the correct student ID. You have to change this student ID to something else. So how we can do that? So for that we will use, sorry for this, we will use update. Okay, update what we want to update is this table, student table 2, correct? Student table 2 we want to update. Then set, what we want to set is student id, equal to let's say 171. Okay, the correct student id is 171, and where this student id it will select, we will write where this submission id is equal to it was 2000 3002. So now we want to update, what we want to update, we want to update 179 to 171. Let's run it and see if it is working. Okay, let's cut, select, again we will write select star from submission table 2, and if the last 3002 it is 3002, once something wrong happened. I think we have made some mistake. I'll try this again. Okay, I'll write this code again. So update, this is the table, set student id is equal to 171. I want 171 for this student id should be 171, and this one, I think this is making problem. Okay, where the submission id is 3002. Let's run it again and we will check if we are getting. I don't think we should get any error here. Okay, star, then from, and the table is submission table 2. Okay, now run it and let's check it again, and if you can see 171, now it is updated. Okay, so this is how you can update your table. Now the last one is how to delete the table. Okay, so how we can delete, I want to delete this 3001 and 3002, both these rows actually I want to delete. So I assume you have been given the instruction that these students are no more in the system, so you have to remove these student IDs detail. Okay, so how we can do that? So we will write delete. Okay, delete, and the table is what? Submission table 2, and what we want to do, where submission id is equal to 2001. Let's check if it is deleting. Sorry, we have detected version operation query. Oh wait, okay, so it is yes, so actually it is what, submission table, oh sorry, I delete from. Okay, now run it. Okay, now I think it is already deleted. Let's check from sorry, select star from submission table 2. Let's check if we have the 3001 3001. So after 3000 we have 3002, so 3001 row is deleted. So this is how you can insert, update and delete in your table. So see you guys in the next video. Thank you.